Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Everyday English Insights, your go-to channel for mastering English in the most fun, easy, and practical way. I'm Samir.
And I'm Neha. And today, we're talking about something truly powerful. A technique that can completely transform the way you learn English. Affirmations and gratitude.
That's right. If you think these are just feel-good words, think again. Science proves that what you believe, you become. And trust me, this can reprogram your brain to make speaking English feel natural and effortless.
Plus, we're going to teach you some cool phrases and vocabulary along the way, so make sure you stick with us till the end.
Alright, Neha, let's start with affirmations. What exactly are they?
Great question. Think of affirmations as positive statements that you tell yourself to boost confidence and rewire your mind for success. Instead of saying, I'm so bad at English, which, let's be honest, we've all thought at some point, you say, I'm improving my English every day.
Whoa, that's such a small shift, but it makes a huge difference. The way we talk to ourselves shapes our reality. If we keep saying, I can't do this, our brain believes it. But if we say, I'm getting better, our brain starts acting accordingly.
Exactly. And hey, let's throw in a cool vocabulary tip. The word affirm means to declare something as true. So when you use affirmations, you're literally telling your brain, hey, fluency is possible. Let's make it happen.
Love that. And here's a motivational phrase for our listeners. What you believe, you achieve.
Oh, that's powerful, and so true.
Now, let's get practical. Listeners, I want you to grab a pen, or just repeat this in your mind. Here are 3 golden rules for using affirmations effectively. Number 1, say them daily. Make them a habit. Do it every morning or before practicing English. Number 2, say them with confidence. Even if you don't fully believe them yet, say them with conviction. Number 3, say them in front of a mirror. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it builds self-confidence.
I love that. And let's give our listeners some powerful affirmations they can start using today. Repeat after us. I'm confident while speaking English. I express myself clearly and fluently. I learn new words easily. English flows naturally when I speak.
Alright, listeners, take a second, pause the podcast if you need to, and say these out loud with us. Seriously, do it. It works wonders.
Now, let's talk about gratitude. You know, many people don't realize just how powerful it is when learning a new language.
Oh, absolutely. The more grateful you are, the more motivated you feel. Instead of saying, ugh, I keep making mistakes, try saying, I'm grateful that I'm learning something new every day.
Yes, and here's a useful phrasal verb for our listeners. Take for granted, meaning to not appreciate something enough. For example, some people take their ability to learn for granted, instead of feeling grateful for the opportunity.
That's such a good reminder. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's going right, and that makes learning feel fun instead of frustrating.
Alright, let's make this super easy for our listeners. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Morning, say your affirmations for 2 minutes. Throughout the day, whenever you make progress, pause and say, I'm grateful for this. Evening, write down 3 things you learned today and thank yourself for making an effort.
I love this. It's like creating a positivity loop. The more you affirm your skills and appreciate your progress, the faster your confidence and fluency will grow.
And remember, consistency is key. Learning a language is like working out. You don't see results overnight, but with daily practice, you get stronger.
Wow, Neha, this was such an amazing conversation. Let's do a quick recap. Affirmations help reprogram your mind for fluency. Gratitude keeps you motivated and reduces stress. Daily practice makes English learning a habit.
And most importantly, enjoy the process. Stop being so hard on yourself. You are improving every day, and that's something to celebrate.
So, listeners, start using affirmations today and see the magic for yourself. If you found this podcast helpful,
hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with one English affirmation you are going to use today.
See you next time on Everyday English Insights.